Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com, and it's here. OpenAI has officially launched the Custom GPT Store that we have been patiently waiting for now for months. So, originally they said it was going to come out in November of 2023 after Dev Day, I believe. And after that whole debacle with Sam Altman and the PR nightmare, it's now here on Wednesday, January 10th of 2024. So I'm on the official page for the Custom GPT Store, and you can find this on OpenAI's website. And I will leave a link to this and everything else that I mentioned in the video description below. And there's a few points here that I'm going to talk about in a little bit. But the first thing that I want to mention is that you must be a member of ChatGPT Plus in order to access the GPT Store. If you're using the free version of ChatGPT, unfortunately, you cannot get access to this GPT Store. So I actually just got access this afternoon. I was refreshing my page in ChatGPT all morning, had no access, and now I finally have access this afternoon, which is the reason why I held off this video. So here is what the new GPT Store looks like. So on the left-hand side here, you'll see an option for Explore GPTs, and if you click that, this is the interface that you will now see. So if you want to create a custom GPT, you'll have to find up here where it says My GPTs and create. So if I click My GPTs, this will, launch the previous custom GPTs that I created. So a news reporter, I have a content creator, and then also a YouTube thumbnail generator. So these are some custom GPTs that I created. And there's still an option here to create a GPT. If I go back, there's also a create button. So if I click create, this just takes you to the same walkthrough process of creating a custom GPT, and nothing else has changed here from what I understand. So I do have a full tutorial for creating a custom GPT, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that below this video as well, that shows you how to create a custom GPT from start to finish. So let's take a look at what's already available in the GPT Store. We have some featured options here. So these are the curated top picks from this week according to OpenAI. So All Trails. So All Trails is a cool application that I've actually used before for hiking. So, if you're hiking around the United States, I believe it's worldwide, All Trails is a cool app that shows you trails within the United States and some cool areas there. It's a code tutor, there's a books custom GPT, and also a consensus custom GPT as well. It looks like they have a trending option, so if I click see more, it gives you the top 12 trending custom GPTs. So a PDF, it looks like we have Scholar, Canva. That doesn't surprise me. This is actually one of my favorites when custom GPTs first came out. This 22,500 best custom GPTs. I'm not sure how good this is going to be now when you can just search for public GPTs up here. But regardless, guys, it looks like there's an image generator, a logo creator, a designer GPT, a video GPT. And then here's the ones created by OpenAI. I don't think these have changed. These have always been here. They have some DALL-E custom GPTs that you can use. So for logos, images, and then some other aspects here that you can plug in and have DALL-E generate images, storybook. So that's really cool to see as well. They have some writing GPTs. I really like how they break this out by category. Productivity, research and analysis. They have some programming for, computer programmers and those in the weeds of coding, education, lifestyle, and looks like that's it for now. I would assume they'd add more over time as this store continues to evolve. But so far, so good from what I see here on OpenAI. So they posted, if you do not have ChatGPT Plus, they did post this short little video here or GIF showing you what it looks like. So, I'll leave a link to this in the video description below as well. But guys, that's the custom GPT store. So I'm going to do a quick search here and just search for SEO, for example. And here are the search results. So it's already populating. Rank Math's a good WordPress plugin that I use for SEO. And they already have a ton of other SEO custom GPTs. So that's really cool that this already seems to be working properly. But again, you must be a member of ChatGPT Plus in order to access the GPT store. So I'm excited to see where this goes in the near future and how OpenAI is going to continually update this. Now, one of the questions that I have is, trending or featured, like how often are they going to do this? Now, are people paying to get to the top of featured? How does monetization work? Trending, is this every week? So if I go back to the official page on OpenAI's website, they talk a little bit about that right here. So it says new featured GPTs every week. We will also highlight useful and impactful GPTs. Some of our first featured GPTs include All Trails, Consensus, Canva. So the ones I just showed you. include your GPT in the store so you can build your own custom GPT and get it into the GPT store. But in terms of monetization, it says builders can earn based on GPT usage. In Q1, we will launch a GPT Builder revenue program. As a first step, US builders will be paid based on user engagement with their GPTs. We'll provide details on the criteria for payments as we get closer. So not all ironed out yet. I'm going to be very curious to see what this looks like. Maybe I'll try to make a custom GPT or push my current ones to the store. But here it says US builder. So are they limiting this to just the United States for now? Is this worldwide? That's one question I have. And also they talk about engagement. So are people going to rig the system and flood bots to custom GPTs to try to push them up the list of trending or featured? There's always going to be people trying to game the system. And I don't see how that changes here in my opinion. So that is the custom GPT store. The only other thing I wanted to mention is that OpenAI also made a big announcement here on the same day as they announced this GPT store. If you go to company up here on their website, click blog, they made this announcement about GPT Team. So previously, if I go back into my ChatGPT Plus account and I go down here and it says upgrade plan, you'll see there's another option for Team. Originally, it just had Plus, where it'd be $20 a month per one account. But now there is a team plan, which is $25 per person per month. So with this team plan, it looks like you get higher caps on GPT-4. So you can do more usage with DALL-E 3, web browsing, advanced data analysis, and more. You can create and share custom GPTs in your workspace. There's an admin council, no training on your data. So there's just some more options for team. Now, I wonder how this differs from the ChatGPT Enterprise. That I'm not sure. I'm just a member of the Plus account. Now, maybe as I expand my team for my business, I would look into something like the ChatGPT Plus team subscription. So if I come back here, there's just some other data points here. It looks like you get early access to new features as well. But yeah, I'll leave a link to this in the video description below if you guys want to check this out. I just thought it was worth mentioning in this video since OpenAI announced this the exact same day as the custom GPT store just came out. So that's it, guys. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to leave me a comment below if there's some custom GPTs that you guys have already tried from the GPT store. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already as well. And the final thing I want to show you is this free AI side hustles guide. You can find this below the video in the pinned comment or description. Be sure to get this if you haven't already. This will show you how to make an extra $5,000 a month in passive income online of what I've personally done myself with these side hustles. So just want to leave that here too for you guys to check out in your free time. So guys, that's it again, and I hope you all have a great day.